Initially, our goal was to deliver medicines to the front lines in Liman. We visited the medics at the field hospital, whom we've been supplying with medicine for a year and a half. The facility is located in a village in abandoned houses from which residents fled, escaping the war. As you see, we have a bunch of building supplies, and I think we will fill it up even more. We went to visit the elderly couple, Hanna and Volodymyr, whose home our church was reconstructing after it was bombed. It took us 7 days to complete the work. We are very glad that we managed to restore this house for them before the winter. It ended up the only structure remaining on their property after the village was liberated from the Russians. Now they're going to convert it into a home for themselves. We spent a very good time with Hannah. She said that over 90% of humanitarian aid in their village comes from Protestant churches, from Christians like us. In times of such a grief, God's love is manifested as never before. Thank you for helping us to purchase all these materials and tools and provide Hannah and Volodymyr with a warm home before winter.